Everyone, welcome back to Desi BDS Tutor, and today's topic is MDS 2024 counseling. For that, you have to first of all attempt for NEET MDS 2024 examination. After that, you have to get a score in NEET MDS 2024. Then you are ready for counseling. But before that, we have to need a cutoff, which is different for different categories. For other than general, you have need to have your category certificate for entry or for registration or admission in any institute or a college. So let's get started. First of all, we need to have a NEET scorecard, and in this video I am going to discuss what we need and full step of NEET MDS or MDS 2024 counseling of different departments. So without a further delay, let's get started. For 2024 NEET MDS admission, first of all you need to have your NEET MDS scorecard or admit card. First of all, you have to go to nbemsnetboardeducation.in official website and then go for examination, select NEET MDS. Here you get a application link, click on that, and then you have the scorecard or eligibility criteria. For general it is 50 percentile, and for SC ST OBC it is 40 percentile, and general PWD quota, that is 45 percentile. And cutoff score for general category is 263, and for SC ST and OBC is 230, and general category is 2 with PWBD is 246. Then we have to require the NEET scorecard, which you can download from here. You have to go for login page for downloading the NEET MDS 2024 scorecard. You have to go and enter the user ID and password. And then login. Then you have to go to the scorecard. Here you get a link to download your scorecard. So it was downloaded and it is like that. I hope you got how to download the scorecard, and also you required your admit card also at the time of counseling or admission. You're going to get to know the how to download the NEET scorecard, and you may got the NEET MDS 2024 cutoff mark. So then we have to require to go for a counseling round. First of all, we have to register on official site of medical counseling committee, that is I have mentioned in section, you can see mcc.nic.in. So in that website you have to go to MDS page, and there is a page where is candidate activity board. Here you have to register. After that you have to go for counseling procedure inside it, which is going to start after the first. So here we have the following routines for the counseling: the first round counseling and second round counseling. Then we have the third round counseling, that is mop up round. After that there is a stray vacancy, which is for the seats which are vacant after the mop up round. The counseling begins from the 1st of July in 2024 and ends up with a stray vacancy at the end of 10th September. So in every round you may got after, if you are qualified the NEET MDS 2024, only you are eligible for the MDS 2024 admission. First of all, you have go for a first round counseling, that is for all India it is 1st July to the 10th July, and share of joint candidate data by MCC, that is 19th of July. Then the state counseling, which is from 10th July to the 20th July, and joining is from 26th to 27th July. The last joining is 17th July for all India quota, and state counseling, that is 25th July. Then second round counseling, which is starts from 22nd July to 31st July for all India quota, and state counseling, that is from 31st July to the 7th of August. And third round counseling, that is mop up round, which is start for all India quota, which is for 12th of August to the 21st of August. And that is last joining of all India quota in mop up round, that is 28th of August. In after that NEET first round or second round, there may be downfall, or you can say ki cutoff may fall off, and for that you have to wait for some times. And then stay vacancy, every college has a stay vacancy. As you know ki last time in 2023 there is 0 percentile cutoff, so if you have only attempt NEET MDS 2023, you are eligible for private university admission. And hope the you got the idea for admission. And remember, there is a note have mentioned for ensuring the faithful obedience of time schedule and also keeping in view the limited time available for conducting counseling. All participating institute colleges are directed to treat all Saturdays and Sundays and gazetted holidays are working days. So Sunday and Saturday are officially at the time of counseling days may open in private or government colleges too. So there is a participating institute you can search in which private or government institute you want to take admission as of your NEET 2024 score. So thank you so much. I hope this video will be helpful for everyone, and wait for 2024 counseling. Till all the best. I hope you got the admission in preferred college you want to take, and see all the best for your future. Thank you so much. I hope you shall subscribe to my channel. If you not subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.